Slide 11, it gives about classification of insurance. There are two types of insurance, life insurance and non-life insurance. Under non-life insurance, we have again two categorized as general and miscellaneous. Under general, marine, fire and personal, vehicle and so on insurance comes under general insurance. Under miscellaneous, fidelity guarantee. Fidelity guarantee is any loss occurs in the property or loss of money belonging to the insured person occurs, it comes under fidelity guarantee, and burglary, flood and so on. Next slide talks about long-term insurance. Long-term insurance names specifies the duration of the insurance is very long duration. So it covers life-changing events in life such as death, retirement, disability. Disability means chronic illness. What is the purpose of long-term insurance? It provides us income in the long-term retirement. That is, when an insured person retires, he get a huge amount of money. That is a gain. It is an income to that person. Or when an insured person permanently disabled or passed away, when a death occurs to the insured person, he gains a huge amount of money. Features of a long-term insurance. Health coverages. Health coverages comes under long-term insurance, such as it include the community health care services and nursing, home care and home support. This long-term insurance mostly it is applicable to the elderly people under the circumstance when the younger individual faces with disability, chronic illness. For them, long-term insurance applies under such criteria. Medicare does not comes under this long-term insurance, and this long-term insurance is a serious financial investment. That is, before investing in long-term insurance, we should take a guidelines from the person who knows very well about the terms and risk about the long-term insurance, and then we have to invest in long-term insurance before pinning the signing the document. We should know the rules and regulations of the long-term insurance before taking this insurance. It is a very risky insurance also. Before investing, we need to take adequate planning. Often it's a complex insurance policy. It is known as a complex insurance policy, long-term insurance. And it's a better income also. It is a income gaining insurance too, but there is a complexity too. What are the benefits of long-term insurance? It is cost saving and the premium will be less. Since it is a long duration, the premium will be collected will be less, and preserves our savings, assets and financial independence. In the need of chronic illness, it helps supports us. And it also includes life and funeral insurances, retirement annuities and endowment policies, and it also exempts us from tax. From paying of tax, this long-term insurance exempt us. So income tax department, income tax service gives us a tax exemption when the person who avails long-term insurance.